we kind of worked together with the group or groups in Ghana to see what it is we could do to help. After a meeting, we decided to use a three-pronged approach to maximize the effectiveness of what we could do in a visit. The Ghanaian participants were incredibly enthusiastic and grateful, and they were just really, really happy to have us teaching them and to answer their questions. And we learned as much as we taught. You know, we learned from our trainees, the residents, and some of the attendings about local culture and why some of the patients we were discussing did what they did and said what they said and responded the way they did. And these are things we would not have known without them. And that was enlightening for us. This is a teaching institution, and our residents in an academic institution are both learners and teachers simultaneously. So we thought that this would be both a learning opportunity for one of our residents, but also an opportunity for them to hone their teaching skills.
My overall experience in Ghana honestly was very positive, and there was a lot that I learned about how to approach people and how to approach people specifically from different cultures, how to learn from people that are innately and inherently very different from me, grew up in a different country, in a different school system, healthcare system, have different religions, values, languages, and the way that it translates not only to myself as a physician, but also myself as a person. I think it really broadened my worldview, and to tie things full circle was an exchange of cultures, and I definitely got a full dose of that.
Overall, I mean, I could not be happier with the way it went. We learned how fortunate we are here in the United States. Ghana is a lovely country. They do not have a lot of the resources that we have when it comes to healthcare, when it comes to healthcare education, and when it comes to academic medical research. So sharing knowledge is something that doesn't really cost that much. And we were able to do that, happily. We forged new bonds, we have new friends, we have new initiatives, and I just think that the enthusiasm that was drummed up by this can help sustain the program, and hopefully we can continue to grow with them.